What's up, guys? Steve here from Cover Breaking L. We are getting ready to do our Raz, McDavid, and Larkin. Finally, thank you for filling it. I much appreciated. This is the mini to fill the main. We're doing both of them right now, so we're live. Good luck. Top two names are the winners in this one, and it is 12:58. Go to turn or 12:28. Go to turn 12:29. Chris and Jonathan. Top two after four. 1, 2, 3 is the timestamp. We're back here for your timestamp. We're going quick on these ones. We're a little bit behind. 12:29. 12:29 it is. Last and final. Top two guys. There you go, man. Chris Miller nailing the Razzes lately. Congrats, buddy. 5 and 7 done it for you. You are taking home all 6 spots. Congrats, congrats. You got 12:29. 12:29. Chris, 5 and 7. Congrats, man. That is it, guys. We will see you for the break or for the Raz. Good luck on that.